Hello everyone. SIUK would like to explain you how to join the SIUK University Fair with the Zoom application. You can download the Zoom application in advance on your mobile phone or computer. You're required to register through our SIUK India website, that is www.ukunifair.in/delhi/register, by filling out all the required information. SIUK staff will contact you to reserve an appointment for meeting the universities that you're interested in. On the day of the fair, students will receive a confirmation email and SMS with a participation code and a link to join the event. Please click on that link. When it is time for your university appointment, you can click on the university logo that you would like to talk to. The system will bring you into the Zoom program and you will meet with SIUK staff. You will have to give SIUK staff your code that you receive via email or SMS to verify your identity. Our SIUK staff will then send you to one-on-one meetings with the university staff. When you're finished speaking to the university, you can go back to the link to join the event and then click on a new logo and speak with another university.